Good morning everyone. Ayan, so ipapakita ko lang sa inyo na dito sa Nova Lucia ay pwede tayong kumita sa pamamagitan po ng mga points that we receive every time na tayo po ay nagpa-participate doon sa group buying activity ng Nova Lucia. At ngayon po mga kaibigan ay nakaipon na naman tayo ng points amounting to 686.13. Iko-convert natin ito para maging ganap na pera. Okay, so as you can see mga kaibigan, 686.13 yung ating points, and base dito, the amount na allowed to transfer and convert into cash is 90% of the total points. So 90% of 686.13 is 617. Ayan, so ayan guys, so nakikita nyo na mga kaibigan, successful na po yung transferred. So ibig sabihin, yung ating balance ay naging 4,817.69 pesos. So pipindutin natin itong balance na ito at tignan muna natin yung record. Okay, so nung nakaraan ay naka-withdraw tayo ng 4,180, and yesterday, no, kahapon, tama ba? Kahapon, yes, 10,629, and today magwi-withdraw ulit tayo. Okay, so ito po yung sinasabi natin na pwede pong mag-withdraw dito, no? At pwede nating i-withdraw yung ating points after nating ma-convert to make it cash. Okay, so magwi-withdraw tayo ng 4,800. Okay, so 4,800 17. Ayan. So as you can see guys, no, first 3 withdrawal is free of charge. The minimum withdrawal amount is 200 pesos. Withdrawal will be processed within 48 hours. If you experience delays or do not receive your funds, please contact our online customer service promptly. A 3% service fee will be applied to each transaction. The fee is automatically deducted from the withdrawal amount. Okay. You have withdrawal. Okay. So, meron akong withdrawal noong nakaraang araw. Okay. So, yun pala yun, guys. So, after 48 hours, ay hindi po pwedeng mag-withdraw muna kung hindi pa tapos yung 48 hours. So, meaning to say, hanggat hindi pa po dumarating yung una kong na-withdraw na 10,000, this withdrawal will not be processed. So, one at a time lamang po yung process of withdrawal. Alright, so ano nga ba mga kaibigan ang benefits ng membership card? Okay, so pansinin niyo itong membership card na ito, SVIP guys, ay nagkakahalaga po ito ng 4,000 pesos. Okay, and ang maganda po dito sa VIP na yan is that you will be having an option or access, no, to avail this seasonal access, no. Ito po yung seasonal access na kung saan mga kaibigan, if we participate sa group buying activity po ng seasonal access, ay meron tayong makukuhang 800 points per week, no? If we participate in one product. But if we participate in 2 products dito po sa seasonal access, we will be receiving 1,600 per week. So, ito po ay magtutuloy-tuloy for the next 3 months. So, that would be 12 weeks. So, kung dalawa po yung pinurchase natin, dalawa po yung product where we participate in this access, no? We will be having a total of 19,000 plus collection for the next 3 months. Alright, so yun lamang po mga kaibigan, and good morning. Kaya doon sa mga Nova Basic, no, if you wanted to have this kind of opportunity dito po sa seasonal access, message me and fill up the form. Thank you.